requirement like footwear, light, educational and medical requirements are determined for subsistence, means for their survival. These are the basic requirement. The present formula for food requirement while estimating the poverty line is based on the desired calorie requirement, means in India how much calorie is required for the people for their survival. Now, the calorie needs varying depending on age, sex and type of work that a person does. Yes, these are the three parameters on which the calorie requirement depends, and it vary from person to person. Age is an important factor, sex means gender, male or female, and the type of work, physical or mental. The accepted average calorie requirement in India is 2400 calorie per person per day in rural areas and 2100 calorie per person per day in urban areas. Means it is different in rural and urban areas just because of the reason that the people living in rural areas are engaged in more physical work as compared to people living in urban areas. Next, the monetary expenditure per capita needed for buying these calorie requirement in terms of food grains is revised periodically, taking into consideration the rise in prices. Every 5 years, this sample survey is conducted by one agency. This is NSSO. NSSO stands for National Sample Survey Organization. Every 5 years, this agency conducts to calculate the monetary expenditure per person या per capita to buy these calorie. Now, on the basis of these calculation for the year 2011-12, the poverty line for a person was fixed at rupee 816 per month for rural people and rupee 1000 for urban areas. Now, again you can find a difference here, 816 for rural and 1000 for urban. Though the calorie requirement is much in for the rural people and calorie requirement is less for the urban people. So despite less calorie requirement, the higher amount for urban areas has been fixed because of higher prices of many essential products in urban centers. Yes, because the people who are living in urban areas, they have to invest more money to fulfill their calorie requirement because the cost of the product is high in urban areas as compared to rural areas. In this way, the year 2011-12, a family of 5 members living in rural areas and earning less than 4080 per month will be below the poverty line. Means when we multiply 816 per person with the family of 5 members, so means will multiply with 5. So definitely the family income per month should not be less than 4080 rupee per month. If they are earning less than this, so the family will be considered below poverty line. A similar family in urban areas per month income should be 5000 per month. If the family is earning less than 5000, so again the family would be considered as below poverty या BPL family. For the international level, there is for making comparison between developing and developed countries, there is one international organization, that is World Bank. This World Bank, this is one of the agency, works under UNO. It uses a uniform standard for the poverty line, that is minimum availability of equivalent of $1.90 per person per day. Means if in any country per person is earning less than $1.9, so the person would be considered, or the country would be considered developing or underdeveloped country. So I think this calorie estimation or poverty line estimation will be clear to you people. So now children, this is the poverty estimate. So for to understand this, you have to look table 3.1 given in your textbook. Look over here. Now here the data is given poverty ratio in percentage and number of poor in million.